Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Unifield. In this video, we will tell you that how to proceed for your exam form submission. As you all know that recently the many students are facing the issues of that backlog section is showing in your exam form section. So in order to guide you, we have created this video that how you should, what are the instructions for submitting your exam form successfully. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to visit the student profile system on our SPPO official website. I will also provide the link of this student profile system in the video description. Once you visit the student profile system, just log in, click on the login, then such web page will appear. Then you can log in by using your respective mail ID number or your Aadhaar number. So in this case we will use our mail ID. So enter your mail ID, password and the reCAPTCHA. Okay, so we are logged in. Then next is you need to click on the exam form under the section column. Then click on the proceed under this online exam form section. Once you logged in into your exam form dashboard, you will see that here the application status is incomplete. This is because previously you have tried to submit your form, but unfortunately due to that uncertainty of backlog subjects, many students have not proceeded for the exam form submission. So that's why this application status is showing as incomplete. So you need to remove this, and also note that in the above this table you need to check this checkbox this. So if you are engineering student, then you can click this option. Once you click this, then remove the this incomplete application. Okay, so your application has been deleted successfully. So in order to apply for the exam form, you need to create the new application. So simply click on this button, create new application. Okay, so we have created the application. So for security purpose, I have blurred this section. So just make sure all the details are correct. Then click on the next. Okay, so here you need to make sure that you have to select your branch. If you do not belong to these given branches, then click this option. For other branch, please select this option. As you can see, still it is showing as previous subject details backlog. So as of now, just skip that. Okay, the next step is to select the elective subject group. So I hope you all have got your elective subject and you have chosen in your college. So we will proceed. Then select your elective subject group 2. This is BE student form, so that's why these elective subjects are showing. For first year, second year and third year, it will not show. Okay, the next step is to select audit course. Just make sure to select the correct elective subject group. Also the audit course subjects are provided by your respective college. So make sure that the subject code which is provided by your college match with these options. Okay, so here business Okay, I'm unable to find the option. Okay. Okay, sorry guys for the delay. Okay, we have selected our audit course. Now let's submit the form. Okay guys, we have successfully submitted the form. Then you have to take the printout of your form. Okay, once you have taken the printout of your form, then download that PDF, and the colleges, your colleges have provided instruction related to that, so send that that PDF in that form. And you have, once you have sent that PDF to your college, then they will invert your form. And once your college have inverted your form, then again you have to log in here, and you will see that there will be option for your exam payment gateway. So just pay that fee to on your university website, and this is how your exam form will be submitted. So hope guys you liked our video. Thank you for watching the video. For such regular updates, please subscribe to our channel. Also for such instant updates, join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram. Link is also given in the this video description. Thank you.